Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pooja's Little World. This is Jurimani here. Today I am going to give you the question answers from this chapter. Before giving you the question answer, let's see the summary of the poem at a glance. The poem describes a story from Nordland. It starts with a short introduction of the place Nordland and its people. It's a cold place where, especially North Pole, where the days are short and nights are very long, and people they harness reindeers to pull their sledge. They wear furry clothes to protect themselves from the cold, and they used to tell their children a story of a little omen. Though the poet does not believe the story, yet this story carries a moral value. When the story starts, we have seen a saint named Peter was traveling around the world. He came across Nordland where he saw a lady baking cake on her heart. So, as Peter is a saint, so he is a follower of Jesus Christ, and he preached religious preaching. He gave to the people all around the world. So, in course of his traveling, he met the place Nordland where he found the lady baking her cakes on heart. And what happened? As the whole day, entire day, he was traveling. So, he was feeling hungry and weak. So, he came to the lady and requested her to give a piece of cake from her store. But the lady is very selfish and greedy. She didn't want to give the big cake or cakes from her store of cakes. So, what she did? She make a small cake on the heart. After baking, she found that the cake is big in size. So she changed her mind and she didn't want to give him the cake. The second time, she take a small dough to make a smaller cake. But after baking, when she turned the cake, she found that it was as big as the first one. Then she did not want to give him it again. So she kept the cake on the shelf of her kitchen. For the third time, she is taking a smallest dough to make a cake, and she roll it and make it flat and as thin as a wafer. And what happened? After baking it also, she found it big. So this time also she could not part her with the cake. Ultimately, she could not give the saint a single piece of cake. But the hungry and almost fainted Saint Peter grew angry. And what he did? He cursed her to become a woodpecker or become a bird. Actually, what he told him, that she is very selfish to live in a human form and to have both food and shelter and fire to warm her with. So, saying that the saint turned her or transformed her into a bird, she would now get very less food and would keep boring the holes in the dry and hard wood in the forest. Her clothes were burnt and her only scarlet cap was on her head, and that was left on the same only with her. And from that time, the children and people can see in the wood or in the forest that with scarlet cap on her head. Means when we see a woodpecker, we can see the red position on his head. It seems to be the lady wearing her red cap on her head. So every country schoolboy can see her even today. It's believed, as it is a imaginary story based on that area, especially in Nordland, people believe this, isn't it? So this is the story about the old lady who is very greedy. Theme of the poem, let us see. This poem tells us about a greedy and selfish old lady who didn't give a single cake to the hungry saint. It made the saint very angry and he cursed her to become a woodpecker. This poem gives us the moral that we should not be greedy and always help the needy person. Let us see the questions. Question 1. Which country or countries do you think the Nordland refers to? Nordland refers to the place or places of the North Pole where there is extreme cold. Here in winter season, days are short and nights are very long. Question 2. What did Saint Peter ask the lady for? What was the lady's reaction? Saint Peter asked the lady for a single piece of cake as he was hungry and also tired for fasting because he is traveling the entire day. So when he reached Nordland, when he saw the lady baking cakes on her heart, he came to her and requested her to give him a piece of cake. What was the lady's reaction then? The lady is very greedy actually, so she behaved miserly. She made smaller and smaller cake for the saint. And she kept on changing the size of the cake. But she could not give ultimately she could not give the saint anything to eat. Actually, she was very selfish, so she could not give him the cake. How does he punish her? The Saint Peter felt very angry at the selfish behavior of the old lady. He cursed her to become a woodpecker. Question 4. How does a woodpecker get her food? A woodpecker is a bird who used to collect her food from the inside of wood. She bores the dry and hard wood with her long beak and collect food. Question 5. Do you think that the old lady would have been so ungenerous if she had known who Saint Peter really was? I think she would not have been so ungenerous actually if she knew who Saint Peter really was. Then she might have given him a piece of cake. Question 6. Is this a true story? Which part of this poem do you feel is most important? No, this is not a true story actually. It's a legend, an imaginary story. That third stanza of the poem is very important. Question 7. What is a legend? Why is this poem called a legend? A legend is a story from ancient times about people and events. It's a mythological story that is continuing among the people of a particular place from an ancient time. The poem is called a legend because it tells us story which is told to the children of Nordland, and the poet himself says that he does not believe that the story is true. Question 8. Write the story of a legend of the Nordland is about 10 sentences. The poem A Legend of the Nordland describes a story of a greedy and selfish woman. Once Saint Peter was traveling around the earth. During the course of his journey, he happened to see the lady baking cakes. Saint Peter was very hungry and tired due to the travel. He asked the lady for a single piece of cake, but lady behaved miserably and kept changing the size of the cake she baked. The old lady could not give him the cake. She said that when she herself eats them, they look small to her, but when she gives it to others, it looks too big to give away. That is why she could not give him anything. Saint Peter was feeling weak due to fasting, so he became angry. He cursed the lady that she would not worthy to live in human form in a house. She would have to bore a lot for a little food. The lady transformed into a woodpecker, who bores hard and dry wood to get food. All her clothes were burnt, only her red cape left. Thereafter, she lived in the trees and gathered food boring into hard and dry wood. Every schoolboy can see her in the form of woodpecker even today. Find out the rhyming words from the poem. Some of the rhyming words are given for you here in these textbooks. Let's see. Snow rhymes with clothes. True rhymes with you. Below rhymes with no. Earth with hearth. Done with one. Lay with away. Food rhymes with wood. Form rhymes with warm. Flat rhymes with dead. Faint rhymes with saint. Fame, same rhymes with flame. Wood rhymes with bird. There's some additional question I'm giving you. See these questions, sir. Name the poet of the poem. Phoebe Cary is the poet of this poem. Question 2. What is ballad? Give an example. A ballad is a song narrating a story in short stanzas. It's a part of the folk culture or popular culture and are passed on orally from one generation to the next. A legend of the Nordland is an example of ballad. Question 3. That they can't sleep them through. Who are they and why they can't sleep them through? They refers to the people of Nordland. Why they can't sleep them through? They could not sleep through because in Nordland nights were too long in winter season. Question 4. Why did the people there use reindeer? People in Nordland use reindeer to pull their sledge over snowy roads. What is a sledge? A sledge is a small vehicle used for sliding over snow, generally pulled by animals. So, sledge is used as a mode of transport in snowy areas, means areas of North Pole. Question 6. And all the children look like bear's cub. Why it is said so? The children are compared to bear's cub because they used to wear furry clothes. And with their furry clothes, they look like baby bear. Who was Saint Peter? Saint Peter was an apostle of Christ or follower or disciple of Jesus Christ. Question 8. Why did Saint Peter travel around the world? Saint Peter traveled around the world in order to preach or teach. Means religious teaching. To give religious teaching. Question 9. What did Saint Peter ask the woman for? Saint Peter asked the lady for a single piece of cake. Question 10. What did the old woman notice every time she baked the cake? The woman made a very small, then even smaller, and then the smallest cake for him. Because every time she baked the cake, it appeared to be bigger in size to be given to the saint. So, she could not give him any. Question 11. Do you think the cakes that the lady made for Peter really got bigger in size? No, actually it was only because of the greed of the lady. The cakes that she prepared for the saint appeared to her very big. She was too selfish. So it seems to be too big to give away actually. Question 12. How did Saint Peter feel when the lady refused to give him the cake? Saint Peter felt very angry when the lady refused to give him the cake. She could not tolerate her rude behavior. Question 13. What happened to the lady at the end? At the end, the woman was transformed into a woodpecker only because of her selfishness and greed. Question 14. How did St. Peter punish her? St. Peter was very angry with the old lady as she was not ready to give him her smallest cake. So he cursed her and sends her into a woodpecker to collect her food from the wood by boring deep into it. Question 15. What was the effect of St. Peter's curse on the old lady? St. Peter cursed the old lady in anger. Then immediately she flew out from the chimney as a woodpecker bird. All her clothes were burned, and the scarlet cap that she was wearing on her head was left alone. So, these are the question answers. Hope you have understood the poem along with the question answers. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. And one more thing, if you want a PDF of this chapter, click on the link below. Thank you. Have a nice day.